This is the power analysis module from Quarch. It has USB and LAN control options and attaches to a range of measurement fixtures via a USB-C cable on the front. Today, we're looking at the new multi-channel fixtures, which capture analog and digital data together without the need for probes or current clamps. There's a 2-channel, 4-channel and external shunt version of this fixture. Let's start and look at the 2-channel. The USB-C connector on the front is to attach to the controller, and pluggable screw terminals on the side are easy to wire into any loom that you may have. There are different connectors for the analog and digitals, so let's plug in 2 analog rails so we can capture ATX power being supplied by a GPU. Now let's look at the 4-channel version. This is similar, but with 4 standard range rails that measure down to 20 milliamps, while the 2-channel unit has only 2 rails, but they can go down to 100 microamps. The external shunt captures 4 analog rails by connecting to each side of an embedded shunt resistor. This is less accurate as we rely on you to specify the shunt value correctly, but it is perfect for accessing internal voltage rails and development boards. To connect up, we add power and either LAN or USB. We then attach the fixture with the USB-C cable. The light goes green and we're ready to go. Here's our stand at the Flash Memory Summit 2023. On the left we have our AC power analysis device, capturing the power used by the PC. On the right we have a GPU, which we've wired through the 2-channel PAM to capture the power use via the ATX connectors. I have a development board here with 3 embedded shunts. Unfortunately, it is under NDA from a customer, so I can't show you the whole thing. We've connected to each side of the shunt already, so it just needs plugged in. The final step is to connect up and specify the shunt values used in the software. The software is key to these products. This is Quarch Power Studio, or QPS, which can capture at high resolution for extended periods of time. Here we're looking at the spin-up of a hard disk drive. We can then zoom into the smallest detail. Check out our other videos for a look at the full tools we provide, including simple Python automation.